Okay, let's get this thing going. Okay, so today we have OPEX today. I just want to say, as far as the week is, this has been probably the choppiest week I've seen. That's kind of been a theme. July, August, really August choppiness has been on another level. I mean, I can't even explain to y'all how frustrating it is because um, just I'm used to getting better price action, and I'm seeing a lot of traders say the same thing. And of course, you can find some individual stocks that can, really start to go your way and get some good moves. But just the overall, like the QQQ and SPY, like it's ridiculous. So we have a float up overnight, melt up. Let's see what we got. So on the 4 hour, because we're obviously up, and we had a two down inside candle, and now look like they probably want to go and could possibly try to take out these, and so they can try to push the market up, or they can just chop around and come back down. It's a lot that they can do. Let's go to the daily. This is what I'm afraid of. This right here. This candle right here. We're stuck inside this daily candle, Thursday's candle. We did not break the low of that candle, and now because of that, the market can possibly slow grind its way back up to try to take out these highs, or they can stay sideways until next week. Um, or they can just decide to sell it off, but I'm not sure because you have this big old candle from yesterday. It's just kind of tough to tell. So this is the range that we're stuck in from the top to bottom. Yesterday's range, daily range. The 4 hour. Now we're two up continuation. This thing has been just grinding up overnight, which is kind of crazy because they let's see. I really had this level getting hit and they didn't do it. So now I'm just kind of like, all right. To me, this was a level of support. So this was a level of support right here. And now I think this could be resistance. Let me see. So they bounced off of this, and now they're bouncing off of this. So this is a zone. So if they break above this, this is the next resistance zone right here, these wicks at the top. So you can see this support, resistance. Come down here, support, resistance, kind of played it down here. Now this is building support all night. So it's this is our trend that's kind of, you had the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last 7 hours green. So now you have this strong support. So it's gonna be kind of tough. They are doing everything in their power to not give you a more of a flush. Like this bearish move has been very whippy, very, very, very whippy price action, especially during the day. Like the way they're doing it, it's been very, very hard to get an actual continuation. So, but okay, this is what we got. Um, Pre-market high right here. Let's see. This is the range. Let's see if they try to come back to this towards the day. I am expecting a lot of choppiness, a lot of whippy price action, straight up and down moves because of OPEC. So that's what I'm expecting. Yeah, so now you got AMD floated up. You got SMH is up. All of these things are up. So let's break down the SPY and let's just see the ranges that it can go to today. It's a great chance that I don't even play today. I have a put position that's for next week. And the way they're doing it, they might just wait until next week to start to give another reversal to the downside. Yeah, see, we had a 2 down, and it's already about to take out this whole move from yesterday. I mean, you're not far off. So this will be an entry to the upside. Let's see. See if y'all seen anything. Make sure you didn't see anything on the stream. Okay. All right, let's just get the levels. Like I said, the price action is just not that favorable. It's not as smooth. And so that's okay. I mean, I believe September and October will be much better. It's just it does that a lot of the times when you get to all-time highs. It starts to really give a lot of chop, and you got to kind of expect it. All right, let's see what the range is. Okay, we got to close at 7.62.60 with ATR of $7.07. So let's get our possible ranges. $7.62.60. We can get as high today as possible. 769.67. We're not that far off. We're not that far off. This is very, very, very possible. Okay, let's get the downside. All right, so we can fall as low as 7.55 today. So they definitely, it's possible for them to, because you got a 2 down. So this will be the call entry to the upside on the daily. Right there, 768.15. So send me an alert for that. Let's go down to the 4 hour. Okay, we had a 2 down on the 4 hour. They're gapping above that. So I'm gonna keep it real light today with my position size. So I guess I'll go a little bit outside of the ATR range. Because this next target is already up here it's already at the call entry on the daily at 768. All right, got the 2 down on it. They already hit that. These are the next highs. They're already gapping up above that. So these are the targets just in case they pull back, I still want to mark them. Yeah, these are the levels for a SPY. And let's do one last thing and get the pre-market high and pre-market low. And I'm telling y'all, these last 2 weeks been so boring for me. So boring. And there's been some stocks that move pretty good. I got in a Microsoft. It took literally till the next day around noon for it to pay because it was choppy. I had bought time on it, still got grin on it. Bought some QQQ puts, had to wait an extra day on it. Got to 46% on it. And it took forever. It's just that the choppiness is just taking a lot longer to pay out. So you got to be really patient for these things to line up. The Q is gapped up. Oh, my shit is cooked. I had got some puts for Tuesday. So, I mean, it's still plenty of time, but they're going to be down pretty good. They're going to be down. Nasty. This shit is crazy. Oh, man, this market's so funny. Yeah, they gapped up at 4 a.m. Wow. Okay, so we got the levels for this. Wow. They're already well above the daily position from yesterday. So they're already above the call entry. And let's do the numbers for this because that fast, they tapped the low of 708 and just blew past that. They already up $8. So, well, so much for shorting. Thought we was going to get 2-2 down continuation, try to test these levels. Thought we was going to come down to 707. Guess they don't want to do that. So let's go with the next best thing. See, 710, 93 cents. And to be honest, I was a little bit eager to get in that trade. Oh, I was on the 2-day. My bad. 10.93 cents. Okay. All right, so you got $11.70. Okay, so let's do that math. 710. Okay, they can get as high as 722 today. And they can get as low as 699. All right, so this is the range. Thank God about time. A lot of choppiness. This was the call entry. They're not giving us a chance so far to be a part of this entry back to the upside. All right, those are the targets, and they can do it. The market's obviously not trying to continue that sell off, so they can definitely do it. And I kind of knew that when I seen this on the 4 hour, I was like, yeah, at a 2 down on the 4 hour. So this is the call entry, and so well above that. You do got a 4 hour price target right here. But just in case, they do have a 2 up on the hour, which is a put entry. It seemed like that's a long shot for today. But yeah. So you only got one put entry to the downside. All right, so these are the levels for the Qs. But yeah, this is again, let's see what we can see on the ES. Go to the daily. Draw these things out. I think the main thing I would say is I was really expecting to try to see this come to like this box, this level. It was a nice little pullback, but I want to see them come back to this again because this was once resistance and now this big support. I really want to see them come back down to this box. This is what I was like hoping that they try to do today, but they already gapping the market up. And so now either they have a chance to like take this back to the upside with this downtrend and still continuing to like go for all-time highs. So that's what I think they can possibly break this trend back to the upside right here. Let's go like that. But I would like to see them maybe hit this resistance line and then start to break their way back down and come back to this support line right here. So to me, I would really like to see the market come back and hit this box. That's what I want to see. And so now we just have to wait and see. But as far as this range, this is a tough range. This was stuck inside of this daily candle. And as long as we're inside here, to be honest with you, I do not want to trade. I literally do not want to trade today. I want to let this thing break this range to the upside or the downside to then take a trade. Because this is, to me, a range that they're going to probably try to stay stuck in all day. I don't think they're going to go up past this or maybe not even below this. I think they're probably going to do a typical Friday and, get some whippy price action and frustrate a lot of people. So you can get some moves, but you're going to have to probably be more of a scalper. But I would be shocked, me in my own opinion, if they actually have a trend today. I would be shocked, really, really shocked, actually. So this is the range, 77.46 at the top and 76.58 at the bottom. As long as we're in between these two lines, I think the market is going to be very, very choppy. So appreciate y'all locking in, tapping in. This is my analysis for today. About to get ready for my group. And yeah, I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all have a great weekend. Study. This has not been the best 2 weeks as far as price action. And I personally cannot wait to next month. So appreciate y'all tapping into the live. Please like and comment, share, and yeah, see you on the next.